How to blur face in PicsArt. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you make blur face in PicsArt. So let's get started. On this process, first you will have to open PicsArt on your device. So simply open the app PicsArt. Alright, so after you open the PicsArt on your device, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on this plus icon. Alright, so now from here you'll have to choose the picture whom you want to make the blur face. So I will choose this one. So now from here, to make the blur face in PicsArt, you'll have to go the option effect. So simply it will appear at the bottom of the screen. So from here you can go the option effects. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the options like blur. So simply tap on this blur option, and now from here you can easily find out the multiple effects on blur. So from here you'll have to go the option simple blur. So simply go the option blur, and now after this you'll have to tap on razor icon just at the top of your screen. So simply tap on razor icon. Alright, so now from here you'll have to tap on this invert option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this invert, and now after this you'll have to tap on this restore option. So simply tap on this, and now from here you can as usual decrease or increase your size of the brush, and as usual you can also select the opacity and hardness. So from here you can set your preference, and after that you'll have to brush the part of that picture whom you want to make blur. So I am brushing it into the face. So right now I am brushing it. So likewise you can also make the blur face in PicsArt. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.